What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. I'm here at Eat, Sleep Car Meet. This is the September meet, so let's record some cool cars today. Bye. This is the Eat, Sleep Car Meet. It's a little bit hard to record at night because it's dark. So, but I hope you can see the cars. I have a lot of cool cars today. I record some of them. So let me know which one do you like more. Okay? Been a long time since I've been on a car meet. So let me know what you guys think. If you like it, please like it. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one. Okay? See you on the next video.